Hello and welcome, it's Julie Q. I'm here in Queensland and I'm going to do an acrylic pour today. I'm going back to a split pour on this nice 60 by 30 canvas. I've put the masking tape on the back and my giant push pins so they hold it up off the table surface. So nice and easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I'm going to split this canvas and do it into two colours. So I am going to go for gold. Well, I'm not actually going for gold. I'm using this gorgeous baby pink. I don't know what kind of pink you'd call it. I actually made it up myself out of white and just added a little bit of this fluoro pink to it, so it is deliciosa. So I'm going to split the canvas. Doesn't have to be dead equal. I'm not one for things all symmetrical, and I like a bit of, what do they call it when you're not actually, I don't like, like things central, and I'm an odd one. I like the odd things, I like the odd people in life too. That's why I married my husband. He's not here to hear that, but he would agree with that. He would agree, I think. So we're going to go the pinky pink. So I'm just giving it, using my soft spongy brush thing. You could use a spatula, you could use anything you choose, but I'm going to use that today. So I might just, this paint is a little bit thick, so we will see if I need to water the rest of it down. Maybe. Okay, now what do you think I should go? The very dark burnt umber that's got some black added, or a cafe latte? Oh, it's difficult. I think I'll go the latte, because then I might use the burnt umber to make it pop in my other things. So this was again just white that I added some of the burnt umber to and sent it down this like cafe latte colour. I'm actually going to use the same because it doesn't matter if it's got a bit of the pink in it. It will all be perfectly fine. This particular, I suppose if I was using a black brush in my white it would be a problem, but this one should be perfectly fine. So that's the nice cafe latte colour. Go. It's got that nice streaks of the pink through it, which I think looks quite nice. It'll probably disappear anyway when I do the rest of the techniques. Rightio. Very quiet, sort of nondescript day here in Queensland today. It's not sunny, it's had a little bit of drizzle. It's a little bit kind of that depressing weather that makes you want to just curl up in front of the TV and watch movies type of weather. Rightio. I think I need to add a little bit of water to this to thin it down, I think. I might give it a go. Let me see. I'm gonna just risk it for a swiskit. I'm wondering what just one colour blown out would look like in there, but I don't want to. No, I will add some white. And should I really make it pop with a bit of the Dark Sea it's called. It's like a very teal green. So I think I might put a bit of that in there. Let's see, doing something different with it. I'm going to go just for that. I'm just going to add some of this hot pink in just a pop here and there. This is the fluoro pink. So this will really put the thick paint. Does thick paint blow out to the test? Rightio. I have got a little bit there metallic green, like a metallic emerald green. So I might put a bit of that in there too. Rightio. This is going to be definitely a test of the just had in the heat one just to blow some of the get rid of some of the air bubbles. So let's give this a go, see how we go with it. Not blowing out real well. Oh, there we go. That is gorgeous colour. Wow. Wow. Just needs a little bit of, put a bit of that green up into the brown. Wow, there you go. Look at these. Oh, I've got. Wow, that's really lovely. Now you could very well leave it the vine effect, but now I'm going to add to my vine. I'm going to add my own version of the bloom in a vine that I've seen some of the ladies doing. So as instead of blowing out a little bloom, I'm going to use my trusty old, oh yeah, oh look at that. That would actually make a lovely other canvas. You can dip that directly on another canvas for sure. So this is my, ooh, vine. Bloom on a vine, but with a balloon on a vine. Ooh, that went a bit AWOL up there. In a bit of a weird mood today, I think. Wow, oh, that is gorgeous. The colours are actually really lovely. Remember, you don't have to do all the things I'm doing. If you think, oh, she shouldn't have done this or she shouldn't have done that, you just when you're doing your piece, you do it, remember, your way, your rules, your way. Don't let anybody take your shine, steal your light. That is absolutely gorgeous. I would like to, oh, should I? Why not? I like it. I do. Let's see. I know that probably some might not like this in the negative space, but that's it. You do what your heart desires. That's why this particular technique is so perfect for rule breakers that don't need or want to do it conform to somebody's opinion of how they should do it. You do it your way. And I do like to add a little bit of wispiness to this. You don't have to do this either. It's exactly what I said before. If you choose to, you do it, and if you don't, you don't. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, so happy I put in that dark sea, because that is gorgeous with those colours. And I think they're colours that I haven't done in a long time, adding that's a bit of a thick bit there. Rightio. I think I've finished, haven't I? I should walk away. I'll just add a bit of detail to this so it actually looks like a flower. I might get my teeny tiny balloon just to, I want to put a bit of blue in there. Oh, that's so pretty. Actually, I think I need to do that pink with the dark sea because it looks so pretty together. The pink with the dark sea. And this little balloon with just my bit of water in, it's just adding a bit of detail. Like I said, you just follow what and how you want to do it and make it your own. You don't have to do it the same as mine or any other YouTuber. You just go for it. Rightio. That is beautiful. I just want, keep saying it, I just want to put a bit of light in that, there you go, in that burnt umber. That's quite a thick bit of paint in there, so I'll just keep dipping it, kissing it, and it will bring the colour up underneath. Look at that, perfect. So find if you've got any chunky bits of colour that you want to break up, then just kiss it. And it'll bring, like it's brought the pink up from underneath beautifully. That is super duper. I couldn't be happier. Oh, that should make a good Christmas gift. Who shall I give it to? To. Rightio. Beautiful. I'm going to bring you down and have a little look at that because it's real beautiful, super duper. Oh, wow. Just look at this. This is so gorgeous. Who'd have thought those colours, hey? See, you've got to be in it to win it. You've got to try. Absolutely gorgeous. There's my little embellished ones out floating in the pink. Look at that. Oh, camera's coming through. It's not showing the pink. Is a lot paler than it's looking in my camera. But look at the detail in there. So gorgeous. Oh, very nice. I'm happy, Jan. I'm happy with those like ghost cells. Wow. Happy with those colours. Really happy with that pour. Hope you enjoyed it, my lovelies. Please have a go at this one. Hop onto our Australian acrylic pouring group. The link is down below in my drop down box if you want to share your work. If you haven't joined and you want to join, you do have to answer the questions asked of you. It's to stop spam and scammers getting in. So if you haven't answered the questions, you will get declined. So please answer the questions if you're happy to jump on and join our Australian acrylic pouring group and put your work, show us all your work on there. So my lovelies, take care, have a go at this one. It is really super nice. They were all Global Colours Australia. There's a link for the suppliers down below. Pretty sure they're available all over Australia now. So say bye for now. Take care.
Don't know what it